Did you know there's a tree that survives extreme heat, grows in poor soil, and can generate income for over 100 years? Today, we are talking about tamarind, one of the most reliable long-term income trees in agriculture. Scientifically known as Tamarindus indica, this tree thrives in drought-prone areas where many crops fail. Once established, it needs very little maintenance. Minimal irrigation, low disease pressure, strong market demand, fresh, dried and processed. That means lower risk and steady returns. Plant improved varieties like PKM1, Urigam or Pratisthan during the monsoon. Maintain 10 to 12 meters spacing. Provide basic care for the first 2 to 3 years, watering, mulching, light pruning. After that, it becomes almost a zero-maintenance crop. Flowering starts in 4 to 5 years. Commercial yield begins in 6 to 7 years. A mature tree produces 40 to 60 kilograms annually, and it can live for 150 to 200 years. Tamarind farming isn't about quick money. It's about planting once and earning for generations. Subscribe to Discover Agriculture for practical, profit-focused farming insights.